you guys think Grinnellians listen to?
Taylor Swift.
Sad, like depressing, like indie music.
Yeah, I would agree with that.
A lot of probably like stuff that people think is alternative.
Stuff that they don't think other people have heard of that much.
And also, I think that they're very unique and original.
Oh my god, yeah!
Probably depends on the person.
Or like hyperpop. That's big.
I feel like we're a really big like Funko Pop community. Definitely some John Stevens. I feel like I hear lo-fi a lot.
Bad music.
Oh my god, no, like 100 gex picture. And they're proud of it.
Bro,
you know,
100 gex is so trash.
100 gex.
100 gex.
100 gex, yeah.
Was it rock? Probably pop.
Alternative rock.
Be like, I don't know, classical. Definitely study music.
Mitski?
I feel like people listen to Misty.
Definitely country.
Country music.
Probably country. Country.
Not enough country.
Okay, let's check. Hello.
Hey, what's up?
What song are you listening to?
I'm listening to Washington no, I'm terrible at dancing.
Okay, what are you listening to? Big Energy by Lana. Would you be willing to dance to it? No. By George Michael. Would you be willing to do a dance to it? Let's go.
Oh, right now, a supernatural episode just for sound, not Netflix.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Serena, what song are you listening to? Paralyzer by Five Finger Death Punch. That's how you dance to it? Okay, what song are you listening to? What song are you listening to? Call it what you want. Can you give us a dance? What are you listening to?
Waltz About Whiskey by Watchdog.
What song are you listening to?
Blue Cloud mode selector.
What song are you listening to?
I am listening to The Ritz by Torrid
You're all that I want. You're all that I want.
Excuse me? What song are you listening to? Okay. What are you listening to?
Just some Ariana Grande right now. But it's still like a little bit like
What song are you listening to? What song are you listening to?
I'm listening to Global by Lil Baby.
Okay. What song are you listening to? Okay. What song are you listening to?
I listen to everything that I go on.
Can you dance to it? What song were you about to listen to?
It's not living if it's not with
What song am I listening to? Plastic by Future and Lil Uzi.
How would you dance to it?
Catch a bitch, shoot and miss, catch a feet.
What song are you listening to? I'm listening to Kara's but
I can be your real life sugar. I can live